The ON Geothermal Park is a green industrial park in the vicinity of Hellisheiði Geothermal Power Plant, where ON Power has reserved 103 hectares for progressive, sustainability-minded companies to come utilize the resources in the area to create value. We welcome startups and university research projects to our innovation hub, and we have seen remarkable projects start small and grow within the geothermal park. The resource streams available in the geothermal park are renewable energy, electricity, geothermal fluid, steam. There's also hot water, cold water, and CO2, and access to the Carbfix technology, which is a technology to store CO2 permanently underground.
Climeworks is active here in Iceland in the geothermal park at the Hellisheiði power plant since 2017. We've built the first demonstrating plant and the first since 2021. We have our first operational commercial direct air capture and storage plant, the plant Orca, in operation, and now we are opening the Mammoth plant, which is a 10 times larger plant. So those plants capture CO2 out of ambient air and safely store it underground in basalt rock in collaboration with Carbfix.
Vaxa is a technology company. We invented, designed, we built, and we are now operating a platform technology called E2F, Energy to Food. And this technology was built around this power station. The objective is to introduce a new idea of how to grow food.
The benefits of being located in the geothermal park are several. There's the direct connection to the power plant for electricity and other resources. It is the common community offering possibility of a circular economy, common infrastructure and services. The location itself is good. We are about 20 minutes from Reykjavik. We are about 40 to 60 minutes from deep sea harbors and the international airport in Keflavik. And last but not least, there's the opportunity to start small and expand.
A key benefit of being located here in the geothermal park at the Hellisheiði power plant is the access to renewable power and heat directly from the power plant, and at the same time access to safe and permanent underground storage in the basalt rock here in Hellisheiði. Using renewable energy to operate Climeworks direct air capture and storage plants is vital. It is an indispensable ingredient. Only if we take renewable energy with a very low, almost close to zero carbon footprint, then we get a really good CO2 balance or life cycle emissions balance of our plant operations. So by taking renewable energy from the ON Power Hellisheiði power plant, we get heat and electricity with a very low carbon footprint, which makes our operations more efficient, and more tons of CO2 that we capture from the air are then actually removed in terms of a net balance and can be sold to our customers.
The key benefits of the park here in Hellisheiði is it's our life. The Vaxa, the E2F system that Vaxa invented and designed was designed around this place. The power plant came first, and we fully integrated our technology with the power plant and all the energy streams that we get from it. So we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the park.
A key challenge that is always named when we speak about our operations of our plants here is, of course, the weather. It's a harsh environment. As we all know, in Iceland there are storms, there's a lot of wind. In the winter there is ice, snow. It's not extremely cold, but it's a lot of freezing and thawing happening. So all those factors pose quite harsh challenges on our plants. However, it's also a very good thing, because this is how we learn. This is a harsh environment that makes our plants better. We learn a lot on the operations from that, and this will make our technology much more stable, much more proven for future installations at various sites all over the world.
From the starting point, we have grown 100 or 200 or 300x. We started in the technical park of ON, where we took our grand idea and we gave it shape. And from a tiny little container in the backyard of the ON power plant, We are looking behind me at almost 10,000 square meters of production floor for the E2F system. So we have taken major leaps since we started. We started small, and it was really important for us to be able to grow with our energy provider. And in the beginning, ON, they were a great partner. And the fact that we were able to start it within ON facilities' backyard, we got access to R&D facilities, we got access to staff of ON to assist. It was absolutely priceless.
We focus on sustainability and the circular economy and responsible utilization of resources.